Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The team behind Hamster Kombat recently disclosed that it has been receiving offers from some of the top venture capital firms in crypto, but has turned down every single one to date. According to the team, the decision to reject venture capitalist funding was made to protect Hamster Kombat's player base and retain the developer's core focus on providing players with a meritocratic experience that rewards participants by actually playing the game. So this approach contrasts with many crypto games and projects that rely venture capital funding, where some critics argue that venture capital firms may prioritize their own exit strategies over the long-term interests of the player base, the team noted in an August 10 announcement. Also, Hamster Kombat's team did not reveal which venture firms had expressed an interest in funding the Telegram-based game. Bitdeer Technologies Group reported a roughly 50% year-over-year increase in gross profits in the second quarter of 2024, largely as a result of nearly doubling its in-house Bitcoin mining capacity, according to the company's August 12 earnings report. So, gross profit for the second quarter of 2024 increased to $24.4 million from $16.2 million, and it increased from $24.4 million 1 year prior, according to Bitdeer. Also, Bitdeer increased its capacity for self-mining or mining Bitcoin for its own account from 3.8 exahashes per second to 7.3 exahashes per second. Also, crypto mining is measured by hash rate or the computational power of a mining operation. Bitcoin miner TeraWulf beat revenue and missed earnings expectations as it posted a 21% decline in the amount of Bitcoin it mined in the second quarter of 2024. In an August second quarter earnings report, the firm said it mined 699 Bitcoin in the second quarter, a 21% decline year over year. The firm reported a second quarter revenue of $35.6 million, slightly beating the consensus estimate of $35.4 million. However, it posted a quarterly loss of $0.03 per share, falling short of an estimated $0.02 loss per share. The firm also noted a 243% increase in the cost to mine Bitcoin year over year, which saw mining expenditures rise from $6,688 per Bitcoin in Q2 2023 to $22,954 per Bitcoin in Q2 2024. The Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform EasyBTC and its founder David defrauded customers by misappropriating approximately 13 million Canadian dollars of their crypto investments and using the funds for gambling. So, a panel set by the British Columbia Securities Commission, a provincial regulator in Canada, found that EasyBT misappropriated customer funds for their own purposes. So, the EasyBTC platform, which went offline permanently or around September 2019 and was dissolved in 2022, had claimed to store all its users' crypto investments in cold storage. During its time of operation, between 2016 and 2019, EasyBTC amassed over 2,300 Bitcoin and over 600 Ether from crypto investors. El Salvador is investing $1.6 billion in the renovation and modernization of two ports, Acatitla and La Union, to stimulate economic growth. So, Yield Port Holdings, owned by a Turkish company, will invest over $1.615 billion in upgrading the Pacific port of La Union and Acatitla. So, the port facilities at La Union are currently underutilized due to its old infrastructure. The agreement allows Yield Port and CEPA to manage the ports for the next 5 decades, aiming to revive the ports and improve logistics in the region. The project is part of El Salvador's ambitious vision of a Bitcoin city, which will be run by geothermal energy, specifically mined for Bitcoins. So, the $1.6 billion project will make El Salvador a hub for transit and business, with the port upgrade helping stretch the country's coast. Recent data from Token Terminal has highlighted the significant growth of Tether's USDT transfer volume on the Tron blockchain, which reached $1.25 trillion by Q2 2024, up from $25.2 billion in Q2 2020. So, this surge places Tron's USDT volume at approximately one-third of Visa's annual transaction volume, underscoring Tron's growing importance in global financial transactions. Additionally, Tron saw a sharp increase in USDT transaction counts, rising from 3 million in early 2021 to over 15 million by August 2024, particularly for larger payments. Hacked crypto exchange WazirX has announced a plan to restore the balances of trades initiated by users between July 18 and 21 following the public outrage over the controversial socialized loss strategy proposed by the exchange. So the plan initiated on August 8 will undo all trades that occurred after the exchange paused withdrawals on July 18, 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time. However, users may not be able to cash out their balances as soon as they are restored. So WazirX is working with legal experts to formulate an effective method for enabling withdrawals. The exchange's bounty program, launched last month, has attracted hundreds of entries from 344 bounty hunters, including security professionals and ethical hackers. So WazirX is in touch with 7 partners in the crypto industry to explore possible solutions for mitigating the financial impact of the multi-million-dollar attack. So CEO Nishal Shetty urged patience and users to bear with the exchange as it navigates this difficult period. Tron DNS simplifies blockchain interactions by replacing long, complex addresses with easy-to-remember domain names, similar to .sol, .eth, and .ton domains. So this system allows users to create human-readable identifiers within the Tron network, such as yourname.ton, making transactions more intuitive. And users can also register their preferred domain names to the Tron network, enhancing convenience and user experience. Also, by adopting familiar naming conventions, Tron DNS aims to lower entry barriers and boost adoption, making blockchain technology more accessible to everyday users. Curve Finance, a decentralized exchange and automated market maker platform, has announced an annual reduction in its native CRV token emissions, marking the 5th consecutive year of emissions reduction since its launch in 2020. So the total CRV supply has dropped to 2.09 billion, with 930 million perpetually locked on the platform as vote escrowed VCRV. The current circulating supply is around 1.16 billion, aligning with the end of all vesting periods on Curve's platform. The reduction in emissions on the end of vesting periods mean that the overall annual inflation of CRV token will decrease dramatically from 20% to around 6%. Also, the increasing number of locked tokens indicate Curve's participants' commitment to its development. On June 28, Curve Finance changed its fee distribution mechanism from the 3 crore token to native stablecoin Curve USD. Pump.fun, a Solana-based meme coin platform, hit a record $28.73 million in July, fueled by retail interest and celebrity launches like Caitlyn Jenner's. It's also briefly surpassed Ethereum's 24-hour revenue. However, most Pump.fun meme coins struggle to reach decentralized exchanges, with only 1.41% making it to Solana's Radium DEX and none surpassing a $20 million valuation. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.